In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add affiliate link to Shopify. Now, if you don't know what affiliate link is, an affiliate link is a link given to you by a specific platform that would allow you to drive traffic and earn money through that link that you have provided. The more traffic or the more interaction that you have produced with that specific link. And to be able to add that or to have that in your Shopify store as well, you're going to have to utilize the different apps. So simply click on apps over here and simply search affiliate. And by clicking on enter, we will be redirected to another page wherein we will be able to see all the different types of affiliate or affiliate program that we could interact and collaborate with our Shopify store. As you can see here, for example, you have your simple affiliate where you could have a seamless influencer and referral marketing. You could check that out in another page. This one as well, affiliate marketing, or the Go Off Pro over here. Let's check out the description for the first one that we have just opened. For the simple affiliate, this will allow you to create and manage unlimited affiliate coupons, link, discount, and rules, and more. You will be able to have an affiliate dashboard that is integrated right into your shop for a branded experience. You will be able to set flexible reward structure based on products, categories, codes, and link. And many more. You have the manual or auto pay commission and 24/7 priority support. You will be able to have and use that when you install the specific simple affiliate app into your Shopify store. Now, as you can see, there is something, or you will need to pay $14 a month. You are eligible for 14-day free trial though for you to try it out. And if you would like to try it out and check it out, you could use this platform as well. There's also this other one that we check out. It's similar. You have $16 per month, but this one has a 3-month free trial or 90 days free trial. For this one, you will be able to seamlessly and automatically integrate with Shopify. You will be able to have an easy affiliate onboarding through personal dashboard login link. You will be able to track your affiliates' performance with stats and in-app analytics, or have some real-time click and commission tracking and third-party tracking. You will be able to set some rules and custom commission per product as well. Then you can see the pricing over here. And lastly, for the Go Afro, this is the Go Afro official page over here. For the Go Afro, this is a free plan. And you will be able to have some unlimited affiliate, unlimited sales, unlimited traffic, unlimited potential. You have your branded portal for your affiliate to get their referral links and see their stats, automate the referral tracking, order attribution, numerous payout options. It has Android and iPhone mobile apps to push notification, and has some advanced multi-level capabilities with customizable compensation and party plans. And this is their dashboard over here. As you can see, you will be able to monitor the different earnings, the different clicks over here. It is a very useful app that you could use. You can check out your traffic, your payouts, and reports even, as you can see here, and the settings as you can see. And that's basically it. That is how you will be able to add affiliate your Shopify. You could utilize the different types of apps available. The one that is best for me is the Go Afro since it's free. But there are other affiliate program or affiliate apps that you will be able to use to improve and add some affiliate types of feature to your Shopify store. And that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.